And even for those dads who are present in their children's lives, the recession has taken a harsh toll. Necessary cuts that only serve to slow our economy. We'll keep our promise to an aging generation by shoring up all kinds of harsh penalties and fees that you never knew about. They've experienced grueling combat from the streets of Fallujah to the harsh terrain of Helmand Province. This country was founded during some harsh winters.
Quite a lot of people in the UK feel that your determination as a country to continue to push for the extradition of computer hacker and Asperger's sufferer Gary McKinnon is disproportionate and somewhat.
Finally, we're deepening our efforts to pursue sustainable energy and to address climate change, which is already a harsh reality for Salvadorans and people across the region who face more frequent and more severe storms. Again, they will demand harsh cuts to programs like Medicare. It's important on this day to remind ourselves that such progress did not come easily. That Dr. King's faith was hard-won. That it sprung out of a harsh reality and some bitter disappointments. It is right for us to celebrate Dr. King's martyrdom.
After 3 years of intense combat in a harsh environment, an armistice was signed that is still in effect today.
They doubled down, in fact, on the harsh, harmful cuts that I've outlined. I was just talking to Ed, and I understand that when the Correspondents Association was considering Conan for this gig, they were faced with that age-old dilemma. Do you offer it to him now or wait for 5 years and then give it to Jimmy Fallon? That was a little harsh.
We also discussed the harsh humanitarian suffering of the Syrian people and the continuation of the ongoing humanitarian deterioration in Syria and suffering of the refugees, and the importance of interlacing all efforts in a speedy manner to reach a peaceful solution and keep the region free from the danger of war.
Restrictions on voting are somehow necessary to fight voter fraud, or having such a hard time proving any real widespread voter fraud. So I just want to give you. In Georgia, Governor Deal's given judges new alternatives to harsh mandatory minimum sentencing.
Brazil has experienced a very harsh drought.
Now, in a movement like Black Lives Matter, there's always going to be some folks who say things that are stupid or imprudent or